Hello guys, on this very video I will be teaching on a step-by-step tutorial on how to restore your already deleted content, either video, picture or text, on your Facebook app back to your phone. How to restore it back to your phone, and how to delete your recycle Facebook bin. I repeat, how to delete your Facebook recycle bin or trash. It is called trash or recycle bin, and how to restore your already deleted content on your Facebook page or profile. I will be using a profile as a tutorial. Enjoy watching. How to delete or erase your Facebook recycle bin. In some phone is called trash, while in some phone is called recycle bin. You can find it in two places inside your Facebook app. Maybe probably you must have deleted video that was not original or that you don't like, or you mistakenly upload and you have deleted from your profile. In some phone it will still take 30 days for it to remove. If you want to automatically erase everything, maybe you delete something you don't want anybody to trace it, because it can still be traced as the video is in your phone, and you want to permanently erase it. This is the step-by-step tutorial. What you have to do, actually you can find this in two places. Click on the human icon of your profile at the top left hand side. When you click on it, the next thing you have to do is to click on that three dot at the right hand side beside your add a story. Click on it. A page like this will open. Now you will click on archive. I said there are two places you can find this. The first one is archive. Now this is it. You have to click on trash. In some phone it will display as recycle bin, depending on the phone you are using. In my phone now is showing trash. Then I will click on the video I want to delete, or it can be anything. It can be a picture or a text which you want to delete. Now since I have selected two, I will click on the three dot at the bottom of my screen at the right hand side. I will click on it. I will click on delete. It will say item you delete can be restored. I will say yes, I want to delete them. I will input my Facebook password and it will automatically be deleted. After inputting my password, it will automatically be deleted. Now the second method to delete it is I will come again. I will enter again just the same way I enter. Then I will come to this page again. I will come to activity log. The first time it was, the first option was achieved. Now it's called activity log under view as. I will click on activity log. Now you can still find it on activity log. I will click on trash. This is it. It has displayed the same page again. Then I will click on it. I will highlight them and click on the three line at the bottom right hand side. I will click on delete. Or if you want to restore the video that you have deleted before, probably you have deleted them and you want to restore the video to your phone. What you will have to do is to follow the same step again. Enter again. Now you have to click on the save place, archive or activity log. You can use the same method. You can use any of the methods. You will click on trash. What you will do now is to click on the video that you want to restore on your Facebook app. Now, as you can see at the bottom, you will find a menu that says restore. Click on it. Your video which you have deleted will come back to your phone. I hope you understand this simple tutorial on how to delete and how to restore your deleted video, and also how to delete your recycle bin on your Facebook app. It's very simple as ABC. Thank you for coming across this video. Like and share our video, and don't forget to follow us.